100 poison games. This better be scary, man. So it's like those kind of mobile games. Bro. What? Oh. So it's F. Dude, stop that noise. Oh, come on. So are we a family member? Like crap. Bloody Mary. Dude, I don't want to go downstairs. Why do I have to check the main door? I need a crowbar? Damn, this game do be kinda big. I mean, dude. Dude, you prick. Dude. Guys are just jerks. Like, where's a gun at? Or a key or something to get out of the house? Oh, I need my damn bat. Bathtub? Dude, I wish I could do this with somebody. Because this do be kind of scary though. I don't want to go upstairs again. Oh, I gotta do it. I gotta kill Jeff the bitch. Oh no. Dude. This game. Oh, I can just go through this? Okay. Oh, this is a new room. I don't think I've seen this before. Are we supposed to go in a closet or something? I don't see the baseball bat. Do you guys see the baseball bat? Because I sure don't. Dude, it just keeps on glitching. Oh, dude. I swear to God. I'm gonna go downstairs. Like... or a baseball bat. I'm pretty sure you can do that. Front that door. Is it in the fridge? Is it in the cabinets? Like, man. I don't think this game is finished. But do I need a crowbar? Why does it keep on doing that? Okay. Bro. Yeah, I'm pretty much stuck. Oh, dude, stop it. Stop. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, we need damn like 3 keys. Dude, can we just turn on the damn lights? Like, or is, oh, there's a cookie. Dude, cookie. Why are there skeletons? Okay, I need 3 keys. A cheeseburger. A cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Do you have a key, sir? Oh. Guess you didn't. Could be in the bathtub. Like in Granny did. Oh god, there's 2 of them? Dude, that was critical. That was flipping critical. Like, where are these keys at, man? Are we supposed to eat these? Oh wait, can we just... Okay. Could be in here, could be in there, could be anywhere. 3 keys could be anywhere. Dude, is it... Oh, dude. That would be disgusting. Oh, there's... Oh, just a little cookie. Yeah. Oh, now you do it. Now you see it. Okay. Now they could be spawned anywhere. They could be now anywhere now. Key. Where the key? Dude, my baseball bat is pretty bloody right now. Come on. Key? Oh. Like, where are these keys at? Oh, an ad. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay, there we go. Bye, dudes. Bye, guys. Bye, dudes. Yeah.